All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from TELSA. On today's video, I'm going to be checking out some accessories from Halo Blk. All right, so let's get into it. Halo Blk sent me a few of their things, and I'm really excited to try them out. This is the first time I'm using them, and I'm excited because if you go on their website, they don't look like most other TELSA accessories. Their design really stands out, and they're very unique. And I find when I find a company that designs their stuff first and foremost, like if you go on their about page, they speak about being designers first and TELSA lovers second. So you're going to get a well-designed product. And secondly, I've been looking for a product like this forever. Right now, it's been in my existence, leads to a lot of stress. Hopefully, this product solves all of that. If you have kids, you're going to want to stay tuned, but more on that later. But first, I have the first accessory they sent me, which are the Halo Blk aluminum alloy pedals. So this is definitely an upgrade. If you have regular stock pedals, the rubber ones, I think only the performance comes with the aluminum ones. So if you have the rubber ones, this is definitely an upgrade. And it's even an upgrade on the regular aluminum because, like I said, they're really well designed. So these are it. Now you can see here, you got some laser engraving. Now, this is not the only design. There's plenty more on the website. Here's the accelerator, and here is your brake. So you have some laser engraving here, really nice finish here, and some really thick, you can see how thick that is, rubber here, so it's going to last. There you go. So yeah, here's the set. So let's go ahead and install these up right now. All right, to install them, all you have to do is on the other side, you'll see these tabs. You just gotta pull these across and work the pedal underneath this little insert here, tab over here. So just same thing, I'll pull them off like that, just pull them off. That, so see just bare metal. Like that. They're pretty easy. Go. All right, so that's one. All right, moving on to the accessory I need the most. Do you have kids? Do the back of your seats look like this? And the reason I need this accessory is because of...
Do I need to go to the door?
What do you do when Daddy doesn't like that when you do that?
This?
Yeah. No, what do you do over here? You kick your feet?
Yeah.
You kick your feet?
Yeah.
So this is my old seat cover. As you can see, it is ugly as what you know what. You got to buckle up here. All this area is exposed, so we don't get good coverage. You know, elastic down here, it goes on the other side. So definitely need to upgrade this. So you're gonna grab these little hooks you're gonna see on the bottom of the seat. You're gonna find some rails, you're gonna hook those up and to be underneath there. So I was able to get both these installed. First off with the pedals, they look really nice. I really enjoy them. They're a little different than your traditional alloy pedals, the ones I used to have. They stand out. They look really nice with that laser etching. There's also the color is a little different. It's more of a slate gray, which I find matches the car really well. So I like them. The install was pretty easy. You just got to fiddle around with it for a little bit, but eventually you will get it. So anyways, I really like those. Definitely an improvement on the old pedals that I had. And there's a few more options to choose from on the website. So there's about like 6 or so different designs to choose from. So I'm sure you can find one that you like. And as for the seat cover, this is a must have. And I don't say that too often, but if you have kids, you have to get these seat covers. If you worry about scuff marks or stuff like that, get these. First off, the material is amazing. It looks exactly and feels exactly like the original seat. The stitching is identical. So it looks like there's nothing there. Like it doesn't look like you have seat covers on, which is awesome. You have full coverage. They clip. The installation is really easy. You just kind of fold it in. It doesn't take a lot of time. And like I said, it just fits really nice. They look like part of your seat. So yeah, I highly recommend these ones. All right, if you want to get yourself some of those, as well as the pedals and other cool accessories, head over to haloblk.com. It's haloblk.com. And while you're there, use promo code NORANTESLA for 10% off your order. Like I said, tons of cool accessories, and there's like, they are design focused, so you will get some awesomely designed stuff. So yeah, check them out. I'll have the link in the description. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I put out about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content. You get accessory reviews like this one, as well as tips, tricks, how-tos, other cool EV stuff. And also check out my merch store, t-shirts like this one, down below, over here. So check that out. Get your t-shirt today. Anyways, thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next week. Have both today. So let's get right. All right, welcome back. All right, so I am. All right, so I'm very excited to try out these accessories, and I love. I can't talk.